Hello viewers and subscribers. Welcome to my YouTube channel RGL Innovations. This video is all about the truck light installed in front of the cabinet. This is the truck light I have just installed in front of the cabinet. This is the type of valve that I installed. It's a cherry type. This is the end of the fixtures. And I had 4 LED lighting on my truck light. On the right side, I just focus on my right (3D) picture frame. In my left fixtures, I focus on the left 3D picture frame. And the 2 lights on the middle I focus it right to the cabinet. These light bulbs are all LED. I hope you like the idea of installing truck light in front of the cabinet. Please subscribe and share. Until next time.